What's going on, family? Black Phoenix checking in with you this morning. I am outside of location, and I just got through talking to some gentlemen who are going to let me post my welding skid inside of their welding supply store. So I'm gonna have my first welding skid posted up in a welding supply store in North Phoenix. So I'm working on everything to get everything lined out. So before I give the location, I'm gonna make sure all the I's are dotted and the T's are crossed. So right now it's a go. So I've got to do a few things to get lined out before it's up and running good. So I just want to say, man, stay consistent on what you do. Keep knocking on doors. Believe in what you do. Honor your work ethics. Stand behind your movement, because there's going to be a lot of times where you're going to have to stand alone. Like, it's going to be what it is. So don't get caught up in needing people to applaud you all the time, people to praise you, people to pat you on the back. Sometimes you're going to have to pat yourself on the back. You're going to have to be the one in your corner saying, hey, you did a good job today. You know what I mean? It is what it is. Or you might just have that one person, your soulmate, your partner, your husband or your wife. You might just have that one person, your kid, or whatever the situation might be. You're gonna have someone or yourself. So just stay focused, man. Don't give up. I just want to tell people that because I started from ground zero. I'm not in the stars yet, but I know I'm on my way. And I'm knowing when I get there, I'm not going by myself. I'm taking a lot of people with me. Hog on.